ago,
Oh, boy.
Loudoun County and Farragut have confirmed tornadoes.
I'm gonna go and get the other flashlights. Huh? Oh snap, this is not good. Oh, YouTube. Okay, I found the really bright flashlight. And I got that one.
Go ahead and get in there, dear. Make it a spot.
Okay, should we kill the lights or?
No.
Okay. Okay, it's okay, Bester. Let's go over here.
And we're gonna turn the TV on as loud as it goes.
Okay.
Not as loud as it's about.
Well,
Oh boy. It's okay, Bester. We're gonna be okay. Oh boy. I love you. Just wanted to let you know that.
Okay, thank you.
And we're gonna post this. Oh boy. I saw lights flickering YouTube. Sophie, it's okay, girl. Hurry. It's okay, Buster. It's okay, Buster. Oh no. It's okay, Sophie. We're safe. Hopefully we're safe.
it said it hit Lovell Road at Pellissippi.
I'm hiding out in the bathtub.
Look what smart dogs.
Yeah, she's a good girl. I love you, girl. I just wanted to let you know that. Hail the size of quarters. I can hear the rain. Stupid hiccups. And yes, YouTube, this is our bathroom.
The red is over Farragut, right? Where is it?
Isn't it in the bathroom? I mean, in your room?
My keys.
Oh no, why do you need your keys?
Okay.
This is a tornado.
We should have, it looks like Farragut should have about 10, 15 minutes.
Oh no. 10 or 15 minutes.
That's all.
It's okay, Lester. I love you, fans.
There's the sirens. You hear the sirens.
Are the sirens really playing? Oh no. Where?
Listen, listen.
We're hoping to see more greens and yellows, and now as we turn on the velocity scope, we're able to see that there's quite a differentiation here between the greens and the yellows.
No.
So they indicate probably seeing winds 50, 60, maybe gusty to 70 miles an hour. So that wall of wind. Get
in here.
Same thing over here. We don't see as much well-defined rotation, but there could be just a little bit right in this area here. Not quite sure yet with this, but there is some.
Be careful.
And that's why it's not well-defined either.
Where's it going?
I don't know. I don't know where he's going. Hey, Mama.
No, don't. I don't want to be filmed in this.
What? I just wanted to hug you.
I know. I don't want that right now.
You see the map.
The map? Uh-oh, that's not good.
That's it.
What's it say?
Take
Shelter.
immediately.
Uh-oh. Get down, guys.
You want to sit out here?
Oh, I just don't want that door to blow open on me. No, you don't want you to. I sit down and cover my head.
You guys need a pillow?
Give me my one.
Here you go.
Just need a pillow.
Papa, do you want one?
Not right now.
Here you go, Buster.
We're gonna put that pillow on him.
I'll give him the towel then.
No,
No,
nothing
just
right
wait.
now. Wait,
Don't make
you'll
it.
hear the door wiggle or something. That line goes straight through there, the arrow that the signal.
You hear it out there.